Hello and welcome. My name is Amulya and you are watching Ease Coding. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Python 3.9.5 on Windows 10. So launch your browser, go to python.org, click on the download and then click here, download for Windows. And this is going to download 3.9.5, which is the latest release of Windows 10. Now you can go ahead and locate the download. This is awesome. So go ahead and click on it and this is going to start the installation. Make sure you check this box, add Python 3.9 to path, otherwise it's not going to be set to the system's path. And then click on this install now. That's all. Hit OK, yes, on your UAC window, and this is going to take a minute or so and you will have your Python 3.9.5 on Windows operating system. This Python is not compatible with Windows 7 and below. So if you have Windows 7, go ahead and install 3.8 or 3.7, but 3.9.5 is compatible with Windows 8 and above. So here we are almost done now, and this is Python 3.9.5, which is going to be installed in just a moment. So what I will do after it's done installing, I will go ahead and check the Python and few packages that are very common to have on the system, like tkinter, pip, and I will also check whether this Python 3.9.5 is set to the system's path. And you can see this is 64-bit. So depending on your operating system, the download will start when you will click on the download button. So here we are almost done. Once your setup is complete, go ahead and launch command prompt or PowerShell. I will be using command prompt. You can see the setup was successful, so go ahead and click close and go ahead and launch your CMD command prompt. And now if I type Python space -uppercase V, you will see I have Python 3.9.5. If I go ahead and get onto my desktop and use CMD based terminal and say hello .py and simply say print hello Python, save it, exit and say Python, and you can see it's working. So this is how you download and install Python 3.9.5 on Microsoft operating system. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.